Okay, see, I'm at my Dollar Tree and I came here for black, but I'm always looking at what they have here. I don't know this brand Koki, but that sparkly is pretty pretty. It is Starlight Sky. I already have, but I need to. I had silver, but I need to replenish. So I'm gonna try this Mera. This is another. You know what? I'm just gonna get all of these. This is date night. I'm gonna get the silver, and what is this? Is a different type of. This color is front and center. I think it's too similar, so I won't get that one. And what is this? I don't know if I'm liking this one. In the spotlight, it's kind of a gold shimmery. It may blend too much with my skin tone. And this one, I don't know. It has some blues in it. And that is called what is that? Something Queen. Crowned Queen. So we have these, and I'm gonna get the green. So these three. And they have so many others. Remember, I came for black. So I gotta remember to get black to do polka dots. Now what is this in the silver? The gold, I'm sorry. This is, I don't know, is it gold? It's gold, but Honey Burst. Hold on, let me open this. And I did, and it is gold, and I'm just gonna try her out. I'm gonna get her too. Sorry. All right, now this is Nail Cuticle Serum Oil. I love a cuticle oil. This one is a nail glow. Coconut extract. It's for the nail care. I'm gonna get that too. Why not? Now, here, now I've had this CV. I brought their CV before. It's Color Vibe, and it's pretty good. So I'm gonna get it in the black, the mauve. I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna get that. That blends a little too much with my skin tone. I have gotten these before, the Color Vibe. I'm not sure if I like them as much, but I like getting this black because I normally do polka dots a lot. So I'm gonna get it in the Color Vibe too. Those two on my bucket. This blue, I have this already, so I'm not gonna get that. This is a Bubbles. It's called Bubbles. I'm not gonna get that, and I have this, which I don't use, so I'm not gonna get that. So let's look at this looks like a fun color, but I think I have something like that and I don't use. Blues, I have plenty of blues, but what I don't have is this. I still like a glitter. This is a cold. I can't focus that one. Cold as ice. I'm gonna get that. The Nicole Miller. We have some at Dollar Tree. Nicole Miller. And just because I know her products are just good, I'm gonna get that lavender and this peachy color. That looks like a good summer color. Let's see. So here is more of that Koki. I think I have a royal, but I'm gonna grab this too. This is a teal. Why not? That's my work colors there. Grab that. What is this? It has little pearls in it. This is a little much for me. So I'm done with the colors. That's what we're looking at. Did drop one. Drop this. Pick that back up. Alright, so what are the goodies up here? I have a new. I don't need another one of those. I'm good with emery boards. What is this? This is gel. Nail polish. Some kind of nail polish. Not that fancy. I have this, and it's okay. I'll get another one of these. What I'm also looking for are those correction pens. Oh, let's see. So, press-ons, don't need those. I think that is it for the nail supply. So I don't see the correction pens. I'm looking again, looking. Nail polish remover. And oh look, maybe I get the gel on my nails. You know, I always want to take them off myself. So look, they have these 24 in a pack. I'm gonna just grab these. Not that I'm getting gel on my nails this time, but maybe next time. All right, I think we're all set in this section.